Okay, guys. Well, I need to get in the back of the fridge. But to get in the back of the fridge, now you have to move the fridge. Oh my God! With all those things on the top, wow! While you're trying to move the fridge, and then things gonna like, oh no! You don't want that, okay? You don't want that. Remove everything. Put them down, okay? And then that will save your day. Okay? Boom. And then now you can move the fridge. We don't want problem. We don't want to get hurt. All right, let me see if I can use a drill to make life easier. Okay. All right. I got